Hey guys, how's it going? How to participate in Kraken's crypto staking programs. So first of all, go ahead and open up your Kraken Pro. First, make sure that you updated the app to the latest version, including the Kraken wallet. So go back to your screen, go ahead to your Kraken Pro, and then basically what you're gonna do, go ahead and click the portfolio right here at the bottom. And you're gonna see right here, deposit, withdraw, transfer, and earn. So I'm gonna click earn, and you're gonna see right here, the staking I've already set my Ethereum to stake, right? So I can earn profits. And in your case, you can, add, Cosmos, to stake, and you don't have enough Cosmos in your wallet, buy or deposit to continue. Here, you're gonna see the yearly rewards 6 to 18%. So if you want to stake Cosmos, just go ahead and buy the Cosmos, and you can do that of course to any other crypto. In my case, I did it for Ethereum, so I'm gonna only show you the Ethereum for now, but if you want to do it, the same steps will be applied to other cryptos. So I'm gonna go ahead to Ethereum, and I'm gonna enter the amount of money that I want to stake, and here you're gonna select the two options, bonded or bonded restaking, which will help you earn yearly 2.5 to 7% APR. So if you want to do that, or just select bonded, so the easy route right here, and estimate bonding time 1 day, and estimate unbonding time 5 days. If you want bonding restaking, you're gonna see right here the estimate bonding time 1 day, and the unbonding time 8 days, and the payout frequency weekly with protocol delays. So basically, click review right here if you enter the amount that you want to stake, if you have already funds in your Ethereum, and then swipe right to continue, and you're going to be able to earn more APR with staking your Ethereum or any other crypto exchange. So I'll turn on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.